So here I've got a class list, and the first thing I'm going to do is highlight this column here, and I'm going to go to Data, and you see I've got the option to split text to columns. And by doing that, it gives me the option to detect automatically or to choose my separator. In this case, I'm going to choose space. And you can see it's separated out the first names and surnames. I'm just going to adjust the top of the column headers here. So now I've got first name and surname completely separate. And that's built in within Google Sheets as a split text to columns, but there isn't an option that's native to do it the other way. So you can use a macro to make sure that you've got this always as an option. So the first thing I'm going to do is choose the cell that I want the full name to be in, and then I'm going to enter a formula in here that's going to concatenate the two of them. But before I do that, I want to record using a macro. So I'm going to go to Tools, I'm going to go to Macros, and I'm going to record a macro. And this records all of the steps that I go through. So this is now recording, so everything I do will be recorded as part of the macro. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to enter equals, and then I want the value in A2, then I'm going to click and, inverted commas, space, inverted commas, and then B2 and enter. You can see that set that one formula and recorded it, and it's joined the names together. I'm then going to click this and drag it down. That fits the whole row. I'm then going to expand that. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the whole lot, and I'm going to actually say that we're going to use the Explore button to change the formatting of this. So we're going to alternate the colours there, make it look a little bit nicer. And what I'm also going to do is this top row, I'm going to make sure that the words are in bold. And I'm going to leave it at that, I think. So I'm just going to save my macro. I'm going to give it a title, which is going to be Join First and Surname Formatter. I can give it a shortcut key if I want to, but I'm not going to on this occasion. I'm going to click Save. So here I've got another class list, exactly the same situation. I've got first name and surname, and I want their full name here because I'm going to enter it into a form later on. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to come to Tools, and go to my macros. You can see the macro I created here, Join First and Surname Formatter, is there. It asks me for permission to run the script, and I just have to permit it on my account. Allow that to work. So we run the script, and there we go. And it's copied everything that I did, including the formatting and also the copying of the names up the top there. So that's how we can use data and split text to column, split text, but also record a macro so that we can just click one button and have all of that done for us, automated every time